Hello friends, welcome to Global Tech Learn. In this video we will practice a Power BI question related to text data column length profiling, and the question is you are creating a report in Power BI desktop. You load a data extract that includes a free text field named col1. You need to analyze the frequency distribution of the string length in col1. The solution must not affect the size of the model. What should you do? And the options are: in report we can add a DAX calculated column to get the length of column 1. And option B is we can add a DAX function that calculates the average length of the column 1. Option C is from Power Query Editor, add a column that calculates the length of column 1. And option D is from Power Query Editor, change the distribution of column profile to group by length for column 1. So now let's understand the question here. So the question is we have to analyze the length of the text column in Power BI, and this length we require only for analyzing purpose, and we don't need this field as a data column to plot in any report. Also we have to make sure that size of the model should not increase. So that means we should not add any new column which is not required for reporting purpose. So if we look at the option A, B and C, all these are adding a calculated column in model that will increase the size of the model. So now let's look at the option D, that is from Power BI Query Editor, change the distribution of the column profile to group by length. So here in Power BI Desktop, in Query Editor we can see we have table called address, and here we have multiple fields as a text data types. So let's look at the field address line 2. And as per the requirement, we need to analyze the length distribution of this column. For that, under view menu, we have option column distribution that we can enable. And thereafter, we can view that column distribution under column profile section. So let's click on column profile. And here we can see we have value distribution. But as per the requirement, we don't want a value distribution. Instead, we are looking for the length of these values distribution. So for that, over here on the right side, we have option. From there we can change it to the group by instead of value to the text length. And now here we can see we are getting length of the string or text in distribution. So with this we are able to achieve the requirement without adding any column in the model and keep the model size minimum. So now coming back to the question. So here we can mark option D as the correct answer, that is from Power Query Editor, change the distribution for the column profile to group by length for column 1.